Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to apply knowledge of BODMAS to simplify algebraic expressions. You may see I have written a question which is an algebraic expression and it has four terms. One is 3x, then minus 5y, then 2x, then minus 6y. You may see different signs with many brackets. Okay, let's learn how to solve such questions. Before starting, let's have a look on these two cases. Which is clearly showing that when you have two same signs, like both are positive and both are negative, so you would be adding them, and when you would have two different signs, then you would be subtracting them. All right, you may use both cases either for multiplication, addition, subtraction or division of algebraic expressions. Let's learn that how to apply that knowledge. You would be actually opening the bracket first. You would be writing this as it is. Okay, it doesn't have any sign, so before it means there is plus sign. Even if you don't write plus, it's totally fine. Okay, now we would be focusing on these two signs. Then there is nothing, it means there is plus. Then we will be focusing on these two and these two. Let's solve one by one. We just discussed that when you would have two same signs, either they are multiplying. When you would be multiplying two same signs, both signs will turn into one positive sign. Okay, so instead of these two negative signs, we will be writing plus. Basically minus minus will turn into plus. Then 5y will be written as it is. Then what would you be doing? You have two same signs again. Let's consider the first case, which is this one. So plus plus is actually plus. You would be writing this plus as it is and then 2x. Once you are multiplying the signs, then you would not write the term in the bracket. You would be writing the terms without bracket. Now what to do with this? Plus minus. You have two different signs. So this is the case 2. Okay, plus minus is actually minus. Okay, so when you will multiply plus minus, you will get minus and then 6y. Okay, now you may see the question is easy now. Instead of many brackets and many signs, you got one specific sign for one specific term. Okay, you just need to add or subtract according to the requirement of the question. Before it, you need to combine like terms. So you can easily identify which terms are like terms. Like terms are the terms with the same variable. Okay, this is 3x. You would be finding what is another term with x. This is. Okay, so you would be writing them together, and then in the similar way, this and this, you would be writing them together. All right, you would be writing 3x. Then what is the sign before 2x? Plus. You would be writing them together. Then plus 5y and then minus 6y. All right, now there is no term which is left over. You would be looking at the signs before the numbers. They both are plus. When you have two same signs, when you have two positive signs, you will add. So you would be adding them. 3 plus 2 is 5x. And the sign of the greater number is 3, and before it is positive. Okay, and if you don't write plus, it's totally fine. Then you have two different signs. This is plus 5y, this is minus 6y. When you have two different signs, you will actually subtract. So you are going to subtract 6 and 5, so it would be 1y. I'm writing 1y, and I'll be taking the sign of the greater number. Which is the greater number here? 6. Before 6 it is minus, so I'll be writing minus 1y. Now I cannot add 5x and 1y. Why? Because they both are with the different variables. They both are unlike terms, so that's my answer.